Welcome to Vegan Viking Kitchen. Today we will be making a protein shake that tastes just like banana bread. If you've been following my posts on my blog, you'll know that I am against using protein powders and supplements. I think vegans can get all of their protein source needs by using whole foods, right Luna? This protein shake is cheap, easy to make, and very delicious. I'm very thirsty, and you are probably too if you're watching this video, so let's get started. For the complete amount of these ingredients, please visit my blog at veganvikingkitchen.com. So we have soy milk, oats that I've been soaking overnight, agave and vanilla extract, nutmeg, cloves, cinnamon, chia seeds and flax seeds, ripe bananas, peanut butter. We shall add all of this to a blender now. Start with our milk. Our oats. Now I did drain these. Some water I left in. There's spices in there. Where would I be without my spices? Our homemade peanut butter. Don't use the store-bought one unless it's 100%, but I always advocate making my own things. Blend until smooth. Show you how wonderful it is looking. See how liquid it is? It's not too thick. I don't really like thick shakes. And that's it. I'm just going to drink this for my breakfast throughout my morning. It'll give me my 35 grams of protein. Nice and easy. I'm not a big advocate of using protein powders. I believe that vegans can get all their protein needs from whole food sources. And not to mention, guys, it's just cheaper. Come on. Let's see how delicious this one is. That is great. That tastes like I'm drinking banana bread. Okay, guys. I'm just going to finish this blended smoothie up and go do a nice workout. I'll see you guys next time. And remember, keep it vegan.